Okay, so we will solve this question today. Here you can see the height of the tree is given, which is 5 meters. And here we have a rectangle. The rectangle dimensions are, this side is 15 meters and this side is 12 meters. And what we want to find, we need to find out the angle CAE. So C is this point. So I will draw a line between C and A. And then I will draw a line between C and E. So actually we need to find out this angle. Last time I told you that the angle will be with side A. Okay, so that is the angle which we want to find, theta. So I'll give this angle a name, theta. Okay, so first of all, this is a triangle. You can see that green lines. This become a right angle triangle. But in order to solve for that theta, we need to find out this x. So I will call this side as x. I need to find out this one. So that side is 15, so it means this side is also 15. So let's apply Pythagoras theorem on triangle 1. This is triangle 1. Let's apply Pythagoras theorem. So x square equal 15 square plus 12 square. So let's solve it further. When we solve it, we will get x equal 19.2. So this side is 19.2. Now, we know this side and we know that side, okay? So this one is hypotenuse. That one is opposite. And this one is adjacent. So we know adjacent and opposite. And we want to find out that theta. So here I will apply tangent theta. Which is opposite divided by adjacent. So now opposite is given, adjacent is given. So let's put the values. Tangent theta equal 5 divided by 19.2. So theta is equal to tan inverse 5 divided by 19.2. So let's solve it on calculator. So the answer is 14.5 degree. So that is the answer. This is how we solve this question. Okay, so if you want to learn complete GCSE mathematics course, I have a complete course on my website. You can visit this website www.mathzem.com.